Okay, so this is Claire, who's just finished with Katy on the permanent makeup startup course. So Claire came last year and actually did her first 2 days, and then lockdown hit, and then it took a long time to get her back to do the live models now when we were allowed. And then we had a great day yesterday, and then we've had 3 more treatments in today, 2 different clients. So if you can remember back to this morning, Claire, we had a lady in for brows and liner, didn't we?
We did.
So how did that go? Because that was like your second liner you've been doing, and obviously about your 3rd set of brows. So how did it progress?
That was quite different to the eyeliner yesterday. The lady had had an eyeliner done before, but it was done in a colour, so it's quite a light blue.
Right, okay.
And that obviously took quite a bit of covering.
Yes.
To try and cover the original colour. Which
so it's more like correctional work then this time.
Correctional work, yeah. And the same with the brows. Again, correctional work from what she'd had done before. So yeah, really interesting and a variety of different clients, and that was quite an interesting one, and nice to do the correctional work and make her feel good at the end, because she was really amazed and happy with everything that was done, and nice colour tones that matched better with her colour of skin and hair, and far more complementary.
Excellent. Well, in fact, out of I think the first 3 clients we had through the door over the last couple of days, not only have gone out the door smiling and wanting to book extra treatments, but every one of them has actually sent messages to us on, like, through Facebook or messaging, what services, to actually say how delighted they are having got home and everything as well.
That feels good.
So it's yeah, you're off to a good start. and then obviously we had another client this afternoon who had some brows doing just to finish up. So how was that treatment?
Yeah, that was nice. It was a little bit of correctional colour. She'd had brows done in the past, which was slightly blue-black. Yeah. And we sort of warmed those up again to sort of help with her skin tones. And that was more a brown-black, which was really nice, and she was really overjoyed with those as well. Excellent.
So I know, like, it's been a long wait before you've been able to come back, so there's probably been a few wobbles along the line and things, but now you've actually done the last 2 days, and you've actually done all the live models. How do you feel differently now than you did maybe a couple of days ago before you actually touch a person, so to speak?
It feels great to actually be working on real people. It's totally different. But I actually found it nicer working on real people. Of course, you can interact, you can talk to people. Yeah. And it's just the whole thing's more real. And I just feel more confident, and all the information that you and Katy have given me as well, in addition to everything I already have. Mind-blowing, but yeah, really absorbed so much information. I think I should probably sleep really well tonight.
Yes, excellent, brilliant. And have you found Katy as well over the last couple of days, actually training and sort of guiding you through it? Have you found sort of all your questions have been answered? And
Absolutely, yeah. Nothing's too much trouble, and I always feel like I can ask Katy anything, and she gives me so much information, so much confidence, and shows me so clearly and so well as to how to do things and how to improve. And when things are not maybe quite going to plan, or you're not quite sure, and she's there, and she makes everything feel so easy and simple, and just puts it straight.
I suppose it must be nice as well to actually see you've gone through the whole, booking the course, waiting for the course, doing all the theory work, then all the practice work, and then finally you've seen some live models, and not only that, but every one of them's loved it, and everybody's sent thank you messages and everything afterwards. So it must be nice to sort of get that feeling and see where the future lies, I suppose.
Yeah, it feels great. You feel like you can plan. As I start out now, obviously I'm renting a room in a salon.
Yeah.
And I feel that I can plan things with a happy heart, and that people have enjoyed what I've done in the last few days.
Excellent. Well, it's been great having you here, and we look forward to seeing your case studies coming through thick and fast, I'm sure.
Brilliant.
And we'll look forward to speaking to you in the near future.
Great.
Good luck, Claire. Bye.